Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Fletchers Lake, Nova Scotia is a small community located in the Halifax Regional Municipality, about 25 kilometers north of downtown Halifax. The community sits along Highway 102 and is positioned between Fall River and Wellington. Its convenient location near Halifax Stanfield International Airport has helped make it a popular place for people seeking a quieter lifestyle while remaining close to the services and employment opportunities of the Halifax area. The history of Fletchers Lake dates back to the 18th and 19th centuries, when settlers established farms and homesteads throughout central Nova Scotia. Like many nearby communities, the area developed around natural resources, agriculture, and transportation routes. Over time, improved roads and growing connections to Halifax encouraged residential growth and helped transform the area into a modern suburban community. The community takes its name from the lake that forms an important part of the local landscape. Fletchers Lake and the surrounding waterways have long provided opportunities for fishing, boating, and outdoor recreation. The abundance of lakes, forests, and green spaces continues to be one of the area's most attractive features for both residents and visitors. Today, Fletchers Lake has a population of roughly 1,000 residents, although exact numbers vary depending on census boundaries. It is part of a rapidly growing region that includes Fall River, Wellington, and nearby communities. Housing values in Fletchers Lake have increased significantly in recent years, reflecting strong demand throughout central Nova Scotia. Detached homes commonly sell in the range of $600,000 to $800,000, with larger properties and lakefront homes often commanding higher prices. Today, Fletchers Lake is known for its peaceful setting, outdoor recreation, and convenient location. While it has grown considerably from its early rural beginnings, the community has retained much of its natural character. Fletchers Lake remains one of the most desirable residential communities in central Nova Scotia.
Thanks for watching!